Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate bark ready for Valentine's Day. It's super easy but really effective, and it's a cute little treat to give to your loved ones. The first thing you want to do is melt some chocolate. It can either be milk or dark chocolate, and then some white chocolate separately. You can do this over a bain-marie or in the microwave. Once it's melted, pour your milk or dark chocolate onto some greaseproof paper and spread it out thinly. Let it set either at room temperature or in the fridge, and then you can add your white chocolate. I decided to swirl it on, but you can just add it on in another layer if you like. With the rest of the white chocolate, I coloured it a light pink and swirled it on top, and then I made the pink a little darker with some more food colouring and put it in a piping bag and piped this on too. Now it's time to add lots of sprinkles. I think I added about 4 different types of sprinkles. Just throw as much or as little as you like on there. You can go wild with sprinkles. Leave it all to set, break it apart, and just like that, your Valentine's chocolate bark is complete. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.